the cerebellum. When you pull the cerebellum away from the cerebrum, you can see the corpora quadrigemini in there. See those four bodies in there? The top two are the superior colliculi, the bottom two are the inferior colliculi. And then right above those, let me pull those back, you can see another little body in there. Do you see that other little thing right in there? Right there, that's it.
Okay.
See it? Looks like a little bag.
Yeah.
See it there?
What is that?
That's the pineal body, or the pineal gland. Here it is on this one. This one's cut open, and you can see it right there.
No, we're missing ours.
Yeah, yours is gone.
Yeah.
When they cut halfway through, one half or the other gets it usually, and usually not both. But this one, they got right dead center.
So that's the pineal
Pineal body or pineal gland. It produces melatonin, which directs your waking up and going to sleep.
The diencephalon.
The diencephalon is everything around the third ventricle. The third ventricle is right there.
Okay.
It's a narrow ventricle.